Is your new iPhone really brand new? Let's check and make sure.
Tap on Settings, tap on General, tap on About, and from here with your model number right there, if it's an M, it indicates that it's a brand new phone. If it's an F, it's a refurbished phone. If it's an N, it's a replacement iPhone. If it's a P, you ordered it personalized. And if there's a 3, then it's an in-store demo unit.
Let me know in the comments down below, is yours new, refurbished, personalized, or is it a store demo? I had this TV and no matter what I did, it would not connect to my personal hotspot. I tried everything except for this one setting and I finally found what worked.
Tap on Settings, tap on Personal Hotspot, and right here, maximize compatibility. When I turned that on, I was easily able to find a new device. It does say below that internet performance may be reduced for devices connected to your internet when this is turned on. So once it's found it, you can also turn it back off. And if you have the issue, turn it back on.
While you're here, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and check out this video.